beautifully Vedanta Sampradaya describes how to catch the right guru. Peel all the things which are common. For example, if I have an organization, somebody else is also having organization. There are so many spiritual organizations. Remove that part from my glory. If I have body, then many of you also have body. Remove that part from my glory. If I have amazing orating power, many of them are having. Remove that part from my glory. So go on peeling, peeling, peeling. Finally, at some point, your logic will not be able to peel further, but still you will feel he is something more than all these things. When your logic feels, I cannot peel further, I have peeled everything, even after all these things are removed, he has something more than all these things put together. When you feel this understanding with somebody, he is your guru. If that does not happen, if you feel, no, after I peel 3-4 things, he is not worthy, then forget about him. He is not worthy of being your guru. You are not worthy of being his disciple. The guru-disciple relationship is sacred, should be started after thorough study and research and should never be ended. Should be started after thorough research and should never be ended. I tell you, ending the guru-disciple relationship in your life is a worst crime you will do to yourself, worst punishment you are imposing upon yourself, worst conspiracy against yourself. One more thing I want to tell you, change of guru is perfectly all right, nothing wrong. For example, you go to one guru, after some time you grow out of him or you get more matured, you feel connected to some other guru, that is perfect, nothing wrong. At some point if you feel you have grown out of me, please carry on with your life. If you are feeling connected to somebody, great. But dropping from the guru and not having some other guru is the crime. It means you did not drop from this earlier guru because you are advancing. You dropped because you have fallen. Your arrogance, ego, hatred has come in between. In the Brahmavidya Sampradaya, disciple is sent to another guru by gurus. It is traditional and accepted. Our disciple himself chooses some other guru and goes to another guru. It is accepted and traditional, no problem. But when you drop from a guru for some other reason, useless, foolish, dumb reasons, then something seriously wrong.